So, tornado watch. We are here at this beautiful Hagan Stone Park. We're outside of Greensboro, North Carolina. We've been here 2 nights already. We got in on Thursday and met up with some friends, went to the Windrose concert, which is dwarf metal. They sing about digging holes, mining, and protecting the gates. It was a fantastic concert. Yesterday, I put the camera away. We just had a lovely time. We went for a walk, we hung out, we had cobbler and s'mores, and it was a great stay. Today, I'm hoping to take you around the park. This place is beautiful. I did not expect so much from, not an actual state park, but this place is beautiful. So this lower loop B is not very level. There's a ton of trees. It's really tight. I definitely wouldn't want to bring a Class A or any sort of fifth wheel in here. But for a pop-up camper, for tents especially, or for a Class C like we have, this lower B loop is phenomenal. The upper loop filled up this weekend. There was already music blasting from it. It was just way too much. But down here, loop B among the trees, perfect. So we attempted to chase the park ranger down for like 15 minutes and we're out of firewood, and there's a truck that drives around every like 2 hours, but we think we missed the last lap and we passed them the wrong way as we were leaving to try to go to the ranger to get firewood. We ended up driving through town, but we found a gas station and they have firewood. Wish us luck. Well, it is time for us to load up and move out. I'm not sure what our next adventure is going to be, but we'll know it when we see it. We have a Renfest coming up, we have a Pirate Fest coming up, we have quite a bit of maintenance to do, some deep cleaning, maybe another couple projects. So if you enjoyed us bringing you along on the video, I'm glad you're here, and consider hitting subscribe. Live your life, do what you want. Don't let people on the YouTube tell you what to do. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll catch you on the next adventure.